Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. I will post my prior Allure unboxing videos somewhere here, or at the end of the video. Here's what the box looks like within. See what I got in there. First product I see in here is from Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. Okay, this apparently is for the skin. I love skin products. This reads, if Dr. Seuss had a skincare line, all the products would resemble the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. It started with colorful encapsulated molecules and moisturizing hyaluronic acid, illuminating vitamin A, and clarifying chlorella. I apply a pea-sized amount directly on my forehead and add 2 more drops on each cheek, massage, and watch the little capsules burst and blend into the skin. What does this sell for? The retail price on this is $65. Let's see what it looks like inside real quick. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. You see the little bubbles? Pink and blue. Never heard of this brand, but I am definitely going to try it. I'm all about skincare. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Does it smell like anything? I don't get an immediate sense of a smell, but I'm going to put a drop there and a drop there. It feels very thick. It glides on. It feels very serum-y like, if that makes sense. It doesn't have an outright scent, which is good. So for those who don't care for fragrance, I think this is right up their alley. My skin is soaking it up. It feels lovely. Again, no scent. The theme of this box is apparently got to glow. Love that. Okay, the next thing in here is from AHC, and it's the Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Real eye cream for face. That's interesting. You know that feeling when you've finally been let in on a secret? It's a mix of pride at graduating to the inside and a bit of, what the F? Why didn't you tell me sooner? Okay, WTF. That was my reaction when I first learned of the eye cream that millions of Korean women love. It's concentrated, creamy, and gentle as a traditional eye cream, but the intention is that you use it to moisturize anywhere on the face. So that's why it has both names. Okay, this apparently, the price of this is $28.99, and you can get this at Target. I did not know this was available at Target. Okay, and this is what the bottle looks like. And I'm glad that it has a little protective tab there, which is nice. So you can apply it on the eyes, or you could use this in all over for the face. Put a little on here. Oh, okay, you see that? Okay, close this up. The packaging looks really expensive too, right? It seems very, very classy looking. Feels very cooling to the touch. There is definitely a scent with this one. I'll put this right under my eyes. I don't like wasting products, but especially for the skin around here and for the face. Feels very cooling. Like I could totally see this, like putting this in the fridge to keep it nice and cool, but it even goes on cooling as is. But it does have a slight scent, so if you're sensitive, this may not be like one of those like water-based, the Korean beauty brand, those water gels that you use for the moisturizing of the face. It seems they all have that same scent. I'm really excited about this because I saw them at a beauty convention over a year ago. And at the time, you know, my pocketbook is limited, so it was just about getting a little bit from each brand that I hadn't heard of. And this was one of them. I was really excited about this and intrigued. This is the brand VDL. And what they put in here is their Lumi Layer Primer. Ooh, I'm definitely going to try this out. Okay, again, this is also a K-Beauty primer. I love it. So I'm definitely, apparently this gives you a bright poreless appearance. So I'm definitely going to try this. This is $32, but I don't believe this is the full size. It could be. But you can get VDL at Ulta. So excited. Definitely going to try that. The next thing I have here is from a brand called Cureology, and this is their moisturizer. Oh, I'm excited. Another brand that I haven't really used. I don't have anything by them, but I'm definitely going to try it. So I'm loving this. So this is like a replenishing moisturizer, okay? Mmm, like that, right? Is that replenishing? Yeah. Hold on. Let's see what else is. I am all about the moisturizers, definitely, because you want to protect your skin, you want it moisturized, you want it to be properly protected, and you want it to be plump and smooth and feel so good and hydrated. So this is a moisturizer with no extra bells or whistles or vague healing benefits. The texture is between something like whipped cream and jello. It's pillowy, spreadable, and buildable. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. This price is $19.95 and up for a set that includes the cleanser, moisturizer, and a custom treatment cream. And you can buy it at the Cureology.com/allure link, and there you'll find where you need to buy it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a smooth sailing, way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set for free. Ooh, what? Is that what they're offering for us? So it says ultra personal skincare for your skin individual needs. So I guess this brand's going out of its way to try to give you something that's individual based on what you need in particular for your skin. This is their moisturizer. Low key, love the navy blue, matches my shirt. And this is part of a 3-step set. Does it have a scent? Let's find out. It is like a gel. I just want to see what it does. It sort of smells like a clean soap. Almost like, I don't want to say ivory, but along that, and if, okay, it's supposed to be a moisturizer, but it feels like a soap. I mean, it's kind of not bubbling, but it's kind of sudsing a little bit. Is this a cleanser? It feels more like a cleanser. No, this says it's a moisturizer. Next thing I got in here is something from a brand called ALLURE. I could read that. ALLURE. And this is their resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. Unicorn root. Why does that upset me? Is it the fact that there is no such thing as unicorns? Or unicorn root, that you would just actually take the horn off a unicorn and grind it and make this? I don't know. I just got a really weird image. It says, welcome to skin wellness. I'm sure it's gimmicky, I understand, but it just gave me that horrifying picture, and that's not great. This sells for $12.99, and you can get it at ALLURE.com. This is yet another company that I have not heard of. The name might have you thinking you'll squeeze the reflective tube and get rainbow glittered gunk. What you'll actually get is a brilliant exfoliating cleanser. It goes out as a cream, thickening as you rub it in. Then with water, it turns into a foam that cleans without leaving skin squeaky. And then they allude to the unicorn root. It is also known as, it's known as Electris farinosa root extract, which may help brighten skin, similar, I guess, to rice. The formula has a dose of glycolic acid too, though, which is well proven to brighten skin. Okay, so there you go. And this is a sample size. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay. Apply small amounts to wet face and massage in circles until it foams. Rinse thoroughly. And again, I think I mentioned the price for this. The ALLURE is $12.99. So the company is called Wen, and it's glamour base Sheet mask. If you're feeling dried out or dull, this mask is the perfect little wake-up call. In addition to hyaluronic acid, it has collagen and peptides, so skin is left hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. The price of this single one is $7, and you can find it at whenbeautyus.com. Never heard of the brand, but we'll definitely try it. It's Glamour Base. I love anything to do with skincare, so okay. I love the focus on skincare. It's beautiful. I can't wait to try everything. The thing I'm most excited about, I think, would be this little guy. And the VD, overall, I would give this box an A. I'm really pleased with the selection. I can't wait to try the VDL primer and this lovely little guy right here. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get in your box? And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel and check this video out. Again, my name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Be safe.